Hello guys, this is Asi from Crypto Jokers. Today we're gonna talk about XRP. As you probably know, there is the Swell conference tomorrow. It starts taking place. It's a very big conference by Referral, the XRP token company, and basically it takes place in Singapore. Last year we had a really serious bump in the price. You can see this rally, this pump of the price. It took place 7 days or around a week before the event last year. Last year the event was in the 30th of September, the Swell conference, and it had a 200% gains rally before that. So that was amazing move to make some money before the event. Now this year a lot of people been expecting to that event, me too, and we haven't saw any price change. Okay, maybe just a little bit of a uptrend, a small uptrend, but nothing serious, no serious gains, unfortunately. And we might not see any gains relating to the Swell conference. Maybe it will come tomorrow. There will be a crazy pump, maybe after, but usually if it didn't happen so far, it will not happen. As well, you can see on the longer time frame, we can see I put here a little box here. This is our long support area. The support area we busted through in the 2017 rally, serious rally. Okay, this is the area where Ripple, XRP start taking off from. As well, we find support here, we find support here, and you can see if you connect the lines here, you can see we are trading in a kind of big descending triangle, or just the concept of the lower highs and lower highs. This is not a good pattern. This is a very bearish pattern, the descending trend line. We must break it in order to see improvement in the XRP price, in order to see a shift on the trend. Right now in the long-term trend, we are very bearish. We're very bearish. You can see in the Ichimoku cloud, we're trading in the cloud, in the red cloud. This is not a good sign in the long term. And also, we need to break this descending trend line. So basically, in the long run, we're quite bearish. But you can see we have a really, You can see we have a really nice uptick in volume through the year 2000 since like May, June. We have a really nice high volume, more volume than the rest of the year. So it's a good sign. Let's look on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour chart. Let's see. You can see we've been in a nice uptrend. Let's remove that. Here you can see in the 4-hour chart, we've been in an uptrend since September, since 24th of September, we've been in an uptrend. And we need to break this resistance here before we reach the descending triangle resistance. And basically, I feel a little bit positive here. We are having a higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. So this is very good, significant. It signifies we're in a uptrend on the short term. Let's see what will bring tomorrow and the near future. We will let you know if there is any kind of progress, any change. As well, if it break under this trend line and under this support, this is a bad signal. We need to leave this trade. We need to get out of the position if you have a bag of XRP, of course. As well, if you like this channel, if you want us to review any kind of altcoin, if you have any comment, please make a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day. Bye for now.